Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I've got a video that I'm going to be putting out in a few days that is a full start to finish Nosana mid-range build. Start to finish, including the setup for Nosana. It's going to be dropping in a few days. I'm still working on a few things. But in the meantime, I want to let you know that after I built this mid-range build, I decided to put it on salad for 10 days so I can compare the profitability. And it's not just like how much have I made, it's real profit because I bought these smart plugs. And I've been running this rig on these smart plugs the entire time. So I know how much power has been consumed. This is the tricky part with these AI compute rental rigs. Sometimes they're pulling 300 or 400 watts. Sometimes they're sitting idle and just pulling like 70 watts, whatever your baseline is for your rig. So I want to know how much power has been consumed in 10 days by this rig that's sitting right behind me. So I wanted to do the 10 days on salad. Then I'm going to do 10 days on Nosana, so I can see the difference in the profitability. So I hope you guys like that kind of content. If you do, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to continue to build rigs like this, continue to check profitability. I'm also going to be upgrading my network. I've got network switches and all that for 2 gig. I upgraded my internet a few days ago. I'm waiting on my router to show up. So I'll leave links to some of the stuff that I'm doing in the description. They're like Amazon links for the build. But let's go ahead and get into the profitability of this salad rig for 10 days with the 3090 Ti, upgraded CPU, all that stuff. Okay, here's my salad reward dashboard. And as you can see so far, I've been able to cash out it cost $11, but it's a $10 gift card. And then I cashed out $5.75, so I got a $5 gift card. So far, I've actually pulled in $15 in Amazon gift cards. Now, there's $3.47 remaining until I get to the next reward of $5 in Amazon. Right now, it says the 3090 Ti is in moderate demand, but my rig is not currently running a job. So let's take a look at the demand. Okay, actually, since I started shooting this video and kind of prepping for it, the salad monitor is saying the 3090 Ti has fallen out of moderate demand and gone back to low demand. So maybe that's why I don't have a job right now. My rig's been chopping for like 10 days straight. The only time it got interrupted was when my network was being upgraded from 1 gig fiber to 2 gig fiber. So that was a sacrifice I had to make. I had to like stop a job that was actively running when they came to upgrade. Anyway, unfortunately, I lost a job when I was upgrading the network, and then it must have flipped into low demand, and now I don't have my rig rented out. So this is the reality of the compute rental situation overall. So no matter which rig you have, no matter what platform you decide to run, there's times where it's going to be down. And if you mess up a job, like, power goes out, whatever, like if you shut the rig off to move it, you will lose your profits because you're going to lose that job. And then the network's going to see that you haven't been very reliable lately. So, I mean, that is all part of it. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a trusted miner reseller that I've been using for years. They have the best brands and the latest models available. They have brands like Bitmain, Canaan, AlphaPex, Ice River, Gold Shell, BitAxe, and the list goes on. I just did a video recently on the Gold Shell AE Max 2, and that is a very profitable miner for now. And then also, one of my favorite miners is the AlphaPex DG Home 1. It is only $949 from Crypto Miner Bros right now, and you can save an additional $70 off any miner in your order if you use my link in the description and use discount code GREATER. That's $70 off each miner. So that's a really great deal on a great profitable home miner. So the other section that I like to check out sometimes is the offer section. Like I said, use the link in the description. Go check out the offer section. They have miners like the Canaan Avalon Q Bitcoin miner, Silent Home Bitcoin miner, similar to the AlphaPex DG Home 1, Volk Miner D1 Lite, Antminer S21 Plus, and Bitmain Antminer L9, another great script miner. So don't forget to use the link in the description and use discount code GREATER for $70 off your order. Thank you again to Crypto Miner Bros for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to your video. So average earnings haven't really changed, even though it flipped down to low demand. It's saying as high as almost 17 cents But here's the average. It's showing about 10.8 cents for the Salad Network monitor. I just wanted to show you real quick the Nosana dashboard. Mine's a 3090 Ti, but let's say, look at the 3090 right here. So Nosana also has a dashboard, and it's saying that there's 39 of 107 hosts available, and it's saying it's going to be paying 19.2 cents per hour. Now, keep in mind, this is for their premium section after you've kind of proven yourself. But for Salad, I have proven myself. I am a star chef that has chopped, 50 hours. I never shut the rig off. So for 10 days, I never shut the rig off. It only lost internet connectivity when I was upgrading for maybe an hour tops. So I should be in Salad's higher tiers. Now let's take a look at the community. And this is when you're kind of getting started with Nosana and proving yourself. You'll get paid a little less with the community section until you can prove yourself. So it's 14.4 cents. And it says 11 out of 86 hosts are available. So that's a comparison between what you could stand to gain with Salad and what you could stand to gain and earn with Nosana. Now let's take a look at my actual power consumption, and we'll compare that to my total earnings and see how much profit I've been making per day, and we'll see if this has been worth it. So currently the rig is pulling 75 watts. So that's kind of telling me that it's in idle right now. It's no job is running on it. It's looking for a job, but nothing's running. So far from September 1st through September 5th is the time I'm recording this video. I've used 22.5 kilowatt hours. Runtime this month so far has been 106.7 hours. So overall, I'm going to show on the screen what the total for this rig has been running, because it starts over at the beginning of the month and I started running this towards the end of August. Overall energy used so far since I plugged this rig back in with this smart plug is 31.6 kilowatt hours. That is the total energy that I've used to accumulate $15 worth of Amazon cards. So let's do the math, see how much that would cost. At right now, my electric rate is anywhere from 11 to 17 cents, depending on how much I use. So we'll use 11 cents as the baseline, 31.6 kilowatt hours, and it's 11 cents per kilowatt hour. That means I've used about $3.48 in electricity on this rig so far. So that doesn't seem too bad, but when you think about the cost of the rig and everything, it makes you feel like, okay, it'll take a while for this to ROI. But if you think about the GPU mining days, over the bear market, we've been making pennies or losing money per day to run an entire octo miner full of these GPUs, 1200 watts for a 12 card octo miner. So I'm not thinking this is too bad. So far, if you include the amount that I've accumulated minus the fees that would cost to cash out your Amazon gift card and minus power, I've made a profit of $14.23 in about 10 days. So we're talking about $1.42 per day in actual profit on this salad rig. And keep in mind, like I said, there's been times where I've lost a job. So uptime is key with these rigs. I think I would have done better if I hadn't upgraded my internet in the middle of running a job. But that's the reality, like I said, of these mining rigs. You have to live your life. Things happen. Power goes out if a storm comes sometimes. People trip breakers and have to move things around in their house. That's the reality of, running a rig at home. This is not a server farm that I'm running. I'm hanging out in my office right now. We've got a normal house here. So that's the reality of doing this kind of thing at home. Now, is this worth it to you? Do you think that in the long run, this rig could pay itself back? Do you think maybe this rig, if this all goes south, do you think these components could be used for something else? Of course they could. That's why I like building these rigs, because I've got a good CPU, a power supply. I've got a good motherboard. I've got a good graphics card. All of this could be turned into a gaming rig. All of it could be repurposed for nodes. We could put this on a different platform if it's another one becomes more profitable. And like I said, that's why I wanted to try and do this profitability test out with Salad. So now The next video you see that's a full video from me will be a full Nosana rig build video, start to finish, from building the frame all the way to setting it up on Nosana. You follow that video, you will be able to do a full Nosana build. So I'm going to release that video as soon as I know everything's set with it and it's been running good. And then about 10 days later, I will do another test exactly like this and run through the numbers with you guys, so you can see how profitable Nosana was versus Salad. And we will continue to calculate based on power consumption at my electric rate. And you guys can do the same thing. It's not too hard to do the calculations and all that. So anyway, I hope the video was helpful to you, or at least interesting. Keep following my channel. I'm going to keep doing rig builds like this, and I'm going to keep testing different platforms for compute, rental, and AI. So thanks again for watching. Check out Crypto Miner Bros. Use that discount code and link for $70 off your order that I mentioned earlier. Discount code is greater. Also, I want to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know if there's any platforms you want me to test out. Just comment below. I appreciate you watching. Till next time.
The greater good.